Shapes. Now we're going to look at shapes. We're all attracted to specific shapes. Some of us prefer rectangles, others prefer circles, some organic, some geometric shapes. Everyone's different. Look at the platter on the right. There are oval shapes, there are circular shapes, there are rectangular shapes, there are organic shapes, irregular shapes. There are all kinds of shapes. Here you're going to look for shapes in what you see. So when you go for your walk or you start looking around or looking at pictures, this is what you look for. All objects have underlying shapes. Most objects are made of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes. Some artwork focuses on shape. What shapes are you drawn to? Here are examples of what you may see on a walk. You could see old-fashioned granaries, mostly rectangles. You have a traffic light, circles, triangles, and a rectangle. You have a statue, mostly rectangles, different size of rectangles, odd-shaped rectangles, and a circle on the top. In this pathway, you have mostly like roughed up rectangle. The leaves have their own shapes related to an eye shape. The lighthouse, very straight and hard edges. These are all things you see in painting. And the leaves on the right, this is a mass of different shapes overlapping each other. This happens in art too. What you need to do now is just start looking at different kinds of shapes. What do you notice on your walk? What are you attracted to? List your favorite shapes. List your favorite objects with those shapes. Find examples in art that have your favorite shape. Klee loved circles, and then he broke them up with rectangles and triangles. Diego Rivera, in this painting, he repeats rectangular shape. Mondrian was the king of rectangles and the arrangement of rectangles with their colors. If you want to study only rectangular shapes, he would be the one to look at. Put all this information in your sketchbook and start sorting what you really like. This is why we're doing this exercise, so you can figure out what your favorite shapes are and what all your other favorite elements are. And so when you actually start painting, you put them together. So do this now, and we'll see you in the next section.